Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will create this pink Valentine makeup. So first I'm using concealer from Maybelline for this look, and I will use the Lanci eyeshadow palette. So first I am going with Blessing and Wing from this eyeshadow palette, and I am placing this in the inner corner and outer corner as well as in my crease line. I am using here small blending brush for this step. Trust me guys, this look is very easy and this will look absolutely stunning on every girl if you are creating this look for Valentine. So next I am going with color Idol from this eyeshadow palette, and I will use angular brush here. I will place only in the inner corner and the outer corner, and I am creating a pink wing eyeliner with this eyeshadow. So guys, now I'm using Courtyard and Remember Me, and I will place these in the middle. These both are shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm using flat brush for this. Then I'm placing this red glitter on top of this shimmer eyeshadow. After this step, I am taking Skull and placing this top of pink eyeshadow. Using red eye Kohl for my waterline, and I will give all product link in my description box. And guys, this is from ADS brand. This is Indian local brand guys. After this I will use same colors for my lower lash line. So now I'm using black Kohl from Sugar brand because I don't want to use black eyeliner with this look. That's why I'm just slightly using this Kohl, and I will smudge this with flat brush. Mascara from Faces Canada brand. I am applying eyelashes, then I will use highlighter from Wet n Wild brand. And this is the final look, guys. I hope this will help you, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for more beautiful videos, and share my tutorials as much as you can, guys. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all, bye.